Happy New Year's! In today's episode, I'm going to give you a few tips to help you to actually reach your goals this year. I have a lot of experience with procrastination, but I also have a lot of experience in achieving my goals. If we are just meeting for the first time, I'm Latrice Jones, your biz nurturer, helping you to take care of your business while taking care of yourself. And this is Whole Boss TV, helping female entrepreneurs have more wealth, health, and optimized living every day in their life and business. If that sounds like it's up your alley, then subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell below. What's up? We usually start the new year off with so much optimism, so much vigor, for it only to fizzle out in like February. Unfortunately, 92% of New Year's goals fail by January 15th. Setting goals and doing things like vision boards is only part of the process of achieving your goals. By the way, see my video on how to create your digital vision board. I will link it in the description below. Here are my 10 tips to help you to actually achieve your goals this year. And number one, the first thing we're going to do is get clear about what you want and write your goals down. People with written goals are 50% more likely to achieve them than people without written goals. And according to a study from Dominican University, because apparently the Harvard and Yale studies that most people reference never happened. But in the study that Dominican did, they recruited study participants from businesses, organizations, and business networking groups from around the world. And the study concluded that people who wrote their goals, created action commitments, and reported their weekly progress reports to supportive friends significantly accomplished their goals more than anybody else in the study. So, writing your goals down, creating a plan, and getting some accountability is going to help you to reach your goals. So number two, make sure that your goals are specific and measurable. Instead of just saying, I want to lose weight, say something like, I want to release 30 pounds in the next 3 months. Also, keep your goals simple and don't have too many goals at one time that you're working on. I would say about 3 top. Number 3, figure out the underlying reasons why you really want to achieve these goals. There are only 2 major things that make people make changes and reach their goals, and that's pain and pleasure. So we really need to tap into your reasons why. Number 4, figure out who you need to become to achieve these goals. Who do I need to be to reach my goals, to reach my fitness goals, to reach my weight goals, to reach my business goals? For instance, for my business goals, I need to be a person that's not afraid to put myself out there and connect and help my ideal clients. Number 5, what are the bite-sized action plans that you can break your goal into? Make it easy to accomplish your goals by taking away some of the overwhelm. Number 6, better yet, what habits do you need to create to accomplish your goals? What you do daily is going to be the driving factor on whether you achieve and are successful at your goals or not. Number 7, decide what milestones you need to achieve on the way to reaching your goals so that you can know if you're on the right track or not. Number 8, think about what can hold you back, the roadblocks on the way to achieving your goals so you can put things in place to overcome those. Number 9, ditch perfectionism and be easy on yourself. Done is better than perfect. And give yourself enough time for learning curves and unexpected delays so that you won't get discouraged. Number 10, find someone you trust, a supportive friend, a biz bestie, a mentor, etc., that you can share your goals and progress with. That's it. Incorporating those tips into your goal setting should help you tremendously. I actually include a Trello board in some of my programs that helps my students to break their goals down to get more clarity. I included a worksheet below to help you map it out. If this video helped you, subscribe, like, and share it with a friend. To get the worksheet that I mentioned, you can download it here at wholeboss.com/goal plan. The link is also in the description below. Let me know in the comments if you have any tips or hacks that you use to accomplish your goals. I'd love to hear from you. Last thoughts. You can do this. 2020 is your year. Don't let another year pass by without achieving your goals. Get to work and have some fun. Until next time, peace.